Exactly. Look,
Okay.
give an example.
That sounded like hello, hello, hello.
Hello.
How are you?
I'm very good. How are you, Mrs. B?
Yeah, not bad for the first of the morning.
Yeah, that's fantastic. Can you speak a little bit loudly because I can't hear you properly?
I'm okay for early in the morning. Well,
Okay.
not really that early. So, what's up?
Yeah, it's very good. It's
Good.
fine. I was just looking for the next session with you.
Good. And what would you like to do today?
Just normal conversation. Yeah, just
Okay.
normal. Yeah.
Okay. I looked at your website yesterday,
Yeah, yes.
as you would have gathered.
Yeah. How was that?
Yeah, interesting. Very interesting.
Yes, yes.
You've been busy going all around the world talking to different people.
Yes, I just made the channel for the purpose of, I'm learning English here and I'm just uploading the videos there because the beginners can understand, beginner can learn from these all videos. That's why I'm making the YouTube videos on it. Yes, only this is the reason.
Hmm. Certainly would help beginners wondering where to start, and because it's a big pool of fish, and where do you put your line in to catch the right fish type principle.
Yes.
So, yeah. Okay. What else have you been doing?
Yes, my main job is institute, right? Teaching.
Yeah.
When I get my free time, then I work on my YouTube videos. Sometime, yes, I am making videos, just editing this kind of thing, right? And after that, my main job is teaching sector, teaching.
Okay.
Even now, I am in my institute. Now I got my breakfast time, break time. So I am talking to you.
That's nice. Thank you. Okay. So, what do you do to relax?
For relax, I listen music, and sometimes I like to go in the nature with my friends, like riverside, mountain side, the forest side. I really like nature too much fresh air. Just go and listen the birds chirping, great vibes, beautiful nature. Yeah, you will feel like very cool, peaceful. There is not honkings. There is not a there is big cities like rushing the peoples here and there. So just keep calm. Just be in calm in the nature. So all the time, I like this very peaceful. I like peace. Yeah.
So, how often do you get out there?
Probably after finish of my class. It's every day I finish my class 4 p.m. and after that I used to go there with my friends. Sometime alone with motorbike. Sometime walking. Just for
Lovely. Okay.
I
So,
think
you've got,
I think
I,
you are getting some disturbed from the background voice and sound voice because my institute is just beside the highway.
mm,
So,
yeah,
yes,
but
so too much noise. Yeah.
there is a lot of noise, but I'm used to that.
Yeah.
We just have to compensate.
Exactly. Look,
Okay.
give an example.
That sounded like.
I don't
Um,
like this thing. Hobbies I don't like. Such a I don't think why people are or most of the time the honkings.
yeah, but that particular horn sounded like one of the clown horns
Yes,
on a
I think
parade.
in Australia not would be like this, right? Too much.
Sorry?
I think in your country, in Australia, not would be like this.
Definitely not.
Yes.
Yeah, even in the city.
Ah,
I
yes.
mean,
Such a
but
great thing.
although I don't know what it's like working in Sydney proper or Melbourne proper, our two biggest cities, it might be very much the same. Because I don't live there, so I've never experienced it.
You like city or countryside?
Country.
Countryside. Oh, yes, same. Same.
Yeah,
I like too
yeah.
much.
I avoid going down into the city as much as I possibly can, even though Adelaide is a very small city and very easy to negotiate. But I live in a semi-rural area, so I've got big paddocks all round me.
Yeah, the bad thing is here in the way and vehicle, they honking all the time while driving, and apart from that, they just put the loudspeaker on the top, right? And yes, and they all the time they play the music while driving.
Right. I mean, it's bad enough sitting in a set of traffic lights and the guy's got the windows wound up next to you and it's boom, 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 boom coming from his car,
Yes, yes.
but not advertising it like that. Oh, well, whatever floats their boat.
Yes, I think it will take time. Some people will get understand, people will educate, and then people will understand the what is the disadvantage of honkings, right? Noise pollution, and then it will be possible. Otherwise, I think it will continue.
Could you put, what do they call it? Acoustic boards up on the wall to help cut that down?
Oh, something yes, which is affixed in the wall.
Yeah,
Oh, exactly right. Yes, I'm thinking for that. Really, yeah, I'm thinking for that when I in my separate room, right? To put that this thing, then our voice can go out, and the outside voice will not come inside the room, right?
that's
Yes,
right.
I'm
Yeah.
looking forward for that exactly because I am too much bothered from these noise. Sometimes
Well,
kids playing outside, sometimes people cutting their wood, sometimes bike will honking, sometimes this kind of noises making me so much disturbed while calling, while making. Yes, I'm looking forward for that thing which you're saying exactly.
yeah. I know acoustic boards, when you put them up, it stops inside noise going out. So you
Yeah,
need something reversed
I think they
outside in.
absorb the voice, right? Noise.
Yeah, it cuts down noise for sure. It's just how do you do it when you'd be looking to reverse it to keep the outside noise in, out.
Yes, exactly.
Yeah. So
Definitely, I have to use this because of this noise. I have to use. If you will skip, it is not bad for you because there is not big noise from your side. But it is not possible for me without this whatever you're saying.
well,
Be-
if it's going all the time, how can you make videos and teach people when you're having to compete against it?
Yes, good question. When I go to my home, then I just go inside the corner of the home in my house, just and take and just stay my phone like this, and and just continue start the saying something whatever I record, and just instantly I listen the voice from outside. Just I stop, wait for this, and then again I start to saying, recording my videos. So I'm so frustrated, so much difficulties to record the videos. It's very difficult. I'm facing too much.
Yeah, you need a sound stereo.
Yes, yes.
Yeah. Yeah. Not easy to get.
Yeah.
So, oh well, there's some work to be done there. Something to try and work out how to go about doing it.
Yeah.
Interesting. Because, like you say, it's going on all the time. So, how do you manage to ignore it?
This all noise, right?
Yeah,
Noise.
the noise. Ignore the noise.
I have no option without ignoring, right? I have to ignore it. What I can
Yeah.
do? I can't say that the people don't honking in the don't do this thing because they are working their own work, right? Something I'm thinking like you are hearing, which is people are cutting their iron rod bars, right? Then this is their job. They are working. People driving their car, they are pushing, they are honking. So I can't do anything. But one thing I can, which you said, whatever what I should do, fix in our wall, that thing I can do because it is in our hand.
Hmm.
So I will do this thing, and of course I have to manage it. What can I do?
Yeah.
Problem.
So, I presume you're renting the place or do you own the building?
My institute actually I am renting.
Yeah. So, you have to follow their rules as well.
Yes, yes, yes.
Hmm.
Now it's difficult, but one day I hope will be
Oh
better.
dear. Hmm. Okay. So, how many students will you be teaching today?
Now I teach like 10 around maybe, yeah.
Yeah.
But yes, after breakfast time, another will come. Next batch
Hmm.
will start.
Okay.
Here,
So, that's a. All right. Oh, I see. You're all set up on computers.
yeah,
Cool. Cool. You put a lot of work into it. How long have you been doing it?
over a year,
4 years?
over a year, one year above.
Wow, you've put a lot of money into it since then. You've done very well for a year. You've got 10 students. What, 10 students in each batch? Or,
Yeah, sometime sometime a student goes. I think we should continue it in the next session because 4 seconds left. Bye bye.
take care.